Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Coding Techniques. Today I am going to show you a problem that is occurring in Capacitor version 2 camera plugin, mainly in the Xiaomi devices which I encountered while I was working on the course, which you already know about, right? So I want to share what is the solution for that out here in this particular video. So let's get started and get a solution for this kind of a problem. So in the Xiaomi devices, what is happening is when you are trying to access the gallery and going to select a single photo, then it is not showing up the photo, alright, and you are not able to share that also. And the problem which is existing is because of this file name. So where I am right now is basically I'm inside the Android folder. Within that, the capacitor folder, then the src folder, then the main folder, and within the java com get capacitor. Out there in the plugin section, within the plugin folder, I am accessing the camera.java, and within that file, what you can see out here, that there is a string called file name which is initialized to this content URI .get last path segment. You need to just comment this line and replace it with this line, alright. By replacing it with this string will help you to solve that issue, and I have already tried out how it is working in the Xiaomi devices after doing this change. So after doing this change, you just build your application again or run the command Ionic cap run Android, alright. Once you do that, it will open up the code in the Android Studio and then run that application from the Android Studio into your device. Then if you are having a Redmi device, then you can see that this problem is getting resolved. Now I will show you in my Redmi device how this problem is getting resolved. So now as you can see, my phone is opened up and I'm going to the camera plugin, click on get photo, and I'll go to the photos. So I'll click on gallery and the photos have come up. I'll select a photo and now we can share. So now you can see the photo is showing up at the background, and if I'm sharing it to my other phone, and as you can see, it is getting shared, alright. So which is great. Now I'll open the app again and take a picture. I'll take a picture of myself and I'll share it. And now you can see that I'm able to share this. Let's hit the send button and I'm able to share it. Alright. So this is working nicely in my Redmi device also after making that change. So I hope you get that and you can fix it in a similar manner. Alright. Alright, you have seen what is the exact problem and how we have solved it up, which is very important if you are still working with the Capacitor version 2. So at last I would like to say that if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do that. Let's take our community to a greater height. And also I would like to inform you that if you haven't enrolled in my course, which is based on complete guide on Ionic with Capacitor version 2 and 3, everything is wrapped up out here. Along with that, we'll be also building up the food delivery application out there. So if you haven't enrolled in that particular course, kindly enroll as soon as possible. All the offer links are given in the description. So with this, I'll wrap up this video out here. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned to the channel for further updates. Thank you.